Hello traders, I'm going to show you market update video. I'm in daily time frame. We can select trend line tool, draw this point to this point. As I think this is a parallel channel, we can use parallel channel tool and extend the parallel channel this area. This is not a financial advice video. We can see price has break the upper level and retest. As I think this is a buying opportunity. This point. We can use previous point. There is a resistance level. Now retest the resistance. Bitcoin has next week uptrend. As I think BTC going 120. As I think. We can apply Fibonacci tool this point to this point. We can get the target as I think this area. Price will go to this area and it pull back. That's only today update video. Subscribe my YouTube channel and comment below